Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare tamarind poha or gojja avalagi. It is a Karnataka special recipe. You can prepare within 15 minutes. Let's see how to prepare. Take 300 gram of poha thick, 50 gram of jaggery and 50 gram of oated tamarind. Add 50 ml of water in jaggery and tamarind. Soak it until jaggery completely dissolves. Jaggery completely dissolved means we can start to prepare the gojja avalagi. In a mixie jar, add the poha thick and grind it slightly. The poha thick size should be like this. In a bowl, add the jaggery water. Add the tamarind water. Now add 50 ml of water. For 300 gram of poha thick, you need to add 150 ml of water. 1:0.5 is the ratio. If you took 300 gram of poha thick, you have to add 150 ml of water. Now add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. Half tablespoon of salt. One tablespoon of rasam powder. Whatever blend you have, add it. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix well and dissolve the salt. Now add the ground poha thick and mix well. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. For tamarind poha, the raw peanut is very important. Take 50 gram of raw peanut. Switch on the stove, keep pan and roast the raw peanut. Once raw peanut fried means add 1 tablespoon of white till. If you don't have, no need to add. Raw peanut and white till are fried well. Keep aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using groundnut oil. Once oil becomes hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Few curry leaves. And 1 dried red chilli. Saute well until chana dal and urad dal turns into golden brown. Now add the roasted till and raw peanut. Again saute well. Mix the roasted aval. See, it is very soft. Add it. Keep the stove in sim flame and mix well. You have to cook for 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Now switch off the stove. That's it. Tasty and simple tamarind poha or gojja avalagi is ready. You can also try this recipe at your home. If you like this video, like and share. If you like it or if you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. You can serve this tamarind poha for 2 members. You can have pappad with this as side dish. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. Thank you so much for watching.